Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath223a.
223a. You're trapped. All right. So last weekend we did maybe it was last week. We did a project on Descartes' theorem.
Yeah, I think it was Thursday.
It was Thursday. And somebody wrote me an email saying we made a mistake on our last video where we were calculating using
Torus.
Descartes' theorem on a torus. Because remember, we're pretending this had a hole.
Yeah.
So we're going to try to correct that mistake today. I'm not 100% sure. It's a kind of a subtle thing that I'm having a hard time understanding, but we're going to try. Well, let's quickly review Descartes' theorem. It says if you take a polyhedron,
Yep.
and you look at what they call the angle deficit of every corner, so 360 degrees minus the sum of the angles, and add it up, it's a constant. So we'll review that calculation for dodecahedron in part A here. So what do we have at every corner of a dodecahedron?
We have 3 108 degree angles.
Okay, so the sum is 3 times 108, which is sometimes known as?
Which is, it's 324.
324. 360 minus 324.
That's going to be, it's going to be 36.
36. And how many corners do we have?
5 on the top, 5 on the bottom, and 10 in the middle.
Okay.
So there's 20.
All right. 36 times 20 is
720.
720. And that's what we always got when we had a polyhedron that we could deform into a sphere. And this one's relatively easy to see how you deform it into a sphere. How do you do it?
You just have to sort of roll it around.
Yeah. Yeah, or put like an air pump inside and just kind of pump it up.
Yeah.
All right. So we get 720 degrees for this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the torus as a bunch of cubes with a hole in the middle.
Yep.
And then we built a separate torus that's a bunch of, that's a pentagon on the bottom, a pentagon on the top, and we're going to see these are the same shape, right? They both have a hole through the middle,
Yeah.
and I can deform this into this one.
Yeah, but you can't deform it into a circle.
A sphere. You can't deform it into a sphere, although you can break it pretty easily, I just found out. And so these should get the same thing. So if we do the calculation the same way for these two things, hopefully we'll get the same number. All right?
Yep.